Hi Team Poco, back for a fun cooking video again, and today it's Taco Tuesday, Jerry dressed to impress. Alright, I'm going to put him down, wash my hands, and we'll get started. So, we have a taco on the floor. Okay, so we're making tacos tonight. So what you'll need is a pound to a pound and a half of meat. Tonight we are using beef, and we're just going to get that going. You want your saute or your frying pan at medium to medium-high heat. And while that's cooking, we're going to stir it around, but while that's cooking, you can make your spice mix. So all that's in this bowl is a tablespoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of cumin, ground cumin, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic, and then we have another teaspoon of paprika. And then we also have oregano, a half a teaspoon of paprika, a half a teaspoon of oregano. We have our garlic, our black pepper, and our salt. Woo! Now, what we're going to do is have a cup of water, or a half a cup of water rather, and we're going to add our spice mixture to that. We'll just mix it up a little bit, and that can sit off to the side for a second while our meat cooks. Also, if you're using hard shell tacos, I'd suggest preheating your oven so that you can get those nice and toasty while you are cooking everything for your taco dinner night. So this recipe is extremely versatile. You can make this, and instead of making tacos, you can make nachos, you can make burritos, quesadillas. All are great options. You could even add the cooked taco meat to a 7-layer dip, and then you can have it all the different ways. So now that your meat is all cooked, you can go ahead, first if you have any excess like fat or liquid, you can drain that off. But once you're done with that, we're going to keep the heat still pretty high, and we are going to add our spice mixture and water to our meat, and we're going to just stir that in, make sure it's fully incorporated, and then we will put a lid on it for about a minute and let it steam. Okay, so while it's steaming, you can go ahead and put your taco shells into your oven for about 2 minutes to get those nice and toasty. And then we're going to lift up this lid, and our tacos are done. So enjoy your taco night, whether they're hard shell, soft shell, nachos, burritos, or whatever you like. Miss you guys. See you later.